Hey guys, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be changing that factory grille to a black one. It's a nice simple upgrade that changes the whole look of the car. The replacement grills for these ones come with a genuine Mercedes badge and they're cheap and easy to install. What more could you ask for a nice simple upgrade? So the first step, the most obvious, is we have to pop the bonnet. Now with the bonnet popped, it's just a matter of taking off that shroud that's sitting over the top of the grille. So to take off the shroud, it's a matter of first turning this little dial here that's in the middle, making that loose so that your actual line lines up this way. Next is the middle one, same deal, just pull it up, which unclips it from where it's mounted. So having the two unclipped, it's then a matter of moving on to your intake. Your intake is clipped into place. By just wriggling that up, you will actually find that it'll come unclipped. With all of those out of the way, you should be able to just remove that lip now. With that cover now out of the way, you're really only left with this one bolt in the middle. Now with that one bolt moved out of the way, it was in the middle there. If we push on either side at the front and the middle, it'll unclip and then be able to slide up. It's that easy. Now with the factory grille off, we can fit the new parts that we got from Panel House, which they include an original Mercedes Benz badge for the middle, and there it is. That's our new gloss black grille. We've also got our side tabs, which actually allows it to locate into spot. So now I've got all the attachments put onto the grille. I can move back over to the car and attach it back. So when putting the grille back into place, you just have to make sure that each one of these parts along here lines up with your tabs on your actual bar. Once you've got that into place and your end pieces slotting into each side, you'll be able to attach the top part and put it back into place. Now that the grille is mounted in place, it's just a matter of attaching those top bolts just around here. Now that the grille is tightened up, locked in, all firmly in place, it's just a matter of attaching that top cover along with your intake. Looks the part, I reckon. Simple, cheap, easy upgrade, and you can get it right here in Australia. Panel House down at Slacks Creek in Brisbane. Excellent quality, fits well, and looks the part. So guys, until next time, make sure you subscribe, like, follow me on all my channels, and I'll be seeing you guys again very soon. Thanks.